Back in the previous chapter, you saw that I had the letter B that was converted to outlines. How did I do that? Well, it's very simple. Anytime you have any text object whatsoever inside of Illustrator, you can convert it into just regular editable anchor points that you could work with. This is perfect if you want to make small modifications to text or create logos and so on and so forth. Let me show you how that's done. I'll start off just by creating a regular point text object. Let me type in, for example, the name of the company here called Groundswell. And what I'll do is I'll simply bring this up to the middle of the page. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. Again, I'm using Command-Shift greater than sign or Control-Shift greater than sign to do that. And maybe I'll choose a typeface a little bit more bold. Let's say we'll do something like that. Maybe I want to make some kind of changes to this particular text. I want to make some kind of modifications to it. Well, what I can do is I can go over to the Type menu and choose this setting here called Create Outlines. When I do that, notice that I now see anchor point. It's no longer a text object. I can't run spell check on it. It's as if I had drawn these with the pen tool. It's regular objects. They're pictures. They're not text anymore. So if I use my direct selection tool, for example, and I go here and I just highlight maybe the few anchor points at the top of this U, I could extend it that way, for example. And maybe I'll come over here and I'll take this L, for example, both of these shapes here, move them up just a little bit like this, and then I'll take the edge of this E here and I'll drag it out this way. And maybe I'll go ahead and make some other changes. For example, this N can kind of be extended down this way. And if I wanted to get more involved, we already now know how to use the editing tools inside of Illustrator to add anchor points and modify the anchor points and convert anchor points from one to another, so on and so forth. Now that you have that capability, you can really take any shape at all, or any text object for that matter, convert it to outlines, and do as you wish with them.